Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Bitcoin, on the markets, just in general, the middle of the day market update, right? So basically an update on what's going on right now. There's quite a lot going on at this point of time for multiple reasons. The US session is almost opening, right? So in 15 minutes, probably when I'm launching this video or when I'm uploading this video, the US session is live, and that's going to be a crucial point. But we also just heard that Michael Saylor, between the 13th of September and the 19th of September, bought an additional like $470 million in Bitcoin, which is a little bit bearish, all right? Sometimes, or at least what you see is that that's usually some sort of a sell the news effect, because that means that he was also one of the people pumping up Bitcoin in this period of time. And we know he pumps up Bitcoin. I would have loved it a little bit more, I think, if we knew this was not him and it was actually institutions, big traders, whales jumping in, etc. So that's why you get a little bit of a sell the news effect here. Look, overall, I still think we'll stay bullish here, right? I think the fundamentals are lining up very, very nicely for Bitcoin. And then if you look at some macros, excuse me, wow. Such as the dollar strength index, that's still bearish, that's still on the verge of breaking down here. Russell 2000 is holding up relatively well and is bullish. Stock markets are bullish. And it's also just in general, if you look at the technical structure here for Bitcoin, I do think we have formed a nice start of some sort of a run here. Now, it is crucial that we hold a level like 60,000, but we can still drop down a lot before we reach 60,000, right? So for now, ultimately, I'm still bullish, but as most of you know, what I already said yesterday, I do think when we're looking at the chart here, this level here between 63,500 and 65,000, historically and technically is a very strong resistance level. So it's quite likely we'll pull back from there, from here, and I also still think that that's the most likely scenario, right? So that we will pull back here, that will find support at the strong support levels between 60,000 and let's say 61,500, and then ultimately I do still expect higher highs as well. So this is in general what I would say the most likely scenario is here. I do think that there's still a possibility that will just push through and get up to 65,000 here if the US opens bullish, right? So the pre-market stock market is trading a bit lower. If we bounce there and if we continue this bullish momentum we've seen since the interest rate decision on Wednesday, then there's a chance that Bitcoin just pulls up here and just continues to grind up, basically what we've been doing for the last 3 days. So that's possible, but I would say it's more likely that we'll see something like this. And it's Friday, all right? It's been a very volatile week, so just be careful in the markets. I mean, there's still quite a lot of altcoins that look quite interesting. The usual suspects such as Sui, Optos, Fetch, I think those are quite interesting. And what I saw, kind of to highlight a couple more here, what I saw as well is that Pendle seems to want to break out. Zero is quite bullish here. As you can see, Zero is trying to get a major bullish breakout here. But Pendle as well, as you can see right here, trying to break above that 3.6, 3.8 level. So that's interesting. And what I still think is interesting, but I covered it briefly this morning as well, I still think Solana is interesting here. All right, Solana against Bitcoin broke out and is now bullish. It's probably going to pull back, of course, everything is. It's probably going to pull back, but I do think we'll stay bullish here and that we can see some more bullish momentum from this. So then coins like Solana, but also something like Jito is quite interesting as well. So keep your eyes on that. Jito is also what I bought earlier this morning. So if you're interested in that, you can follow that, but that's up to you. All right. In the end, I posted this in my Signal group, so there I'll be able to update it. I won't be able to update it in my videos or in the free Telegram, etc. So be careful, right? I mean, it's still you're still taking it on your own if you want to take it because of this. But that's what I think you need to know. That there's more bullish altcoins. But these are the ones I think you need to focus on. Basically, like you can see the list here on the right, basically everything with a golden tag is interesting. So that's a lot. I'm not able to cover everything every video, but that's just some interesting altcoins I think you need to keep an eye on. And this US opening is going to be very interesting as well. All right, so I'll keep you updated on this. I'll see you all in my next videos. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.